Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Commonality of the issue. Binding criminal petition number 26-P of 2020 with criminal petition number 27-P of 2020, directed against Aurangzeb and Maluk, respondents, respectively, necessitates a joint consideration, full stop. The respondents were hauled up, on 28th November 2017, by a contingent of anti-narcotics force Peshawar with 18.600 kilograms of methamphetamine, a synthetic psychoactive drug, designated as a contraband within the contemplation of Section 8 of the Control of Narcotics Substances Act, 1997, It comprised of 34,000 tablets, wrapped in packets, comprising 2 lots, separately secured from different points, 34 tablets from each lot were sent for forensic analysis that confirmed their narcotic character as methamphetamine, benzodiazepine, phencyclidine, and morphine, full stop. New paragraph. Indicted under Class C of Section 9 of the Act abid, respondents claimed trial that resulted into their conviction thereunder, wide judgment dated 29th January 2019, they were sentenced to imprisonment for life with a direction to pay fine in the sum of rupees 1 million each, The High Court, however, considering the samples for forensic analysis as deficient in terms of law declared by this court in Amir Zaib case PLD 2012 SC 383, altered their conviction in appeals, separately filed by the convicts, into Class A of the section abid, and reduced their sentences to the periods already undergone by them, with a substantial reduction in the fine, wide impugned judgment dated 14th November 2019, wires whereof, are being assailed on the grounds that there was no occasion for the High Court, after maintaining the convictions, to reduce convicts' sentences on a premise hardly sustainable in law, full stop. New paragraph. The learned counsel elaborated his point of view by arguing that the High Court had misdirected itself to apply the principle laid down in the Supra case in disregard to the nature, shape, and format of the contraband, uniquely integrated into small tablet form, incapable of traditional sampling suggested in the case, He next argued that the Control of Narcotic Substances Act covered a wide range of narcotic drugs, psychotropic substances or controlled substances manufactured, marketed and administered through various mediums other than usual chunks of shaped pieces, and thus in the peculiar circumstances of case, dispatch of 34 tablets, from each lot, squarely constituted representative samples, leaving no space for a contra hypothesis, full stop.